Hi, hello.
Hi, hello.
Are you able to hear me?
Hi, hello. Are you able to hear me?
Yes or no in comments, please. Able to hear me? Am I audible now? Life hacks? Oh, okay. Cool, cool, cool. So, can we get started? Okay, good. So, yes. Hi, hello, welcome to session on data science. Initially, we will start with Python programming, and later on, we will move on to others. So, you will be coding with me in Google Colab. So, can you kindly open this and let me know if you are able to see the same screen as mine? Okay, good. So, are you comfortable in any programming language? So, yeah, kindly answer this poll which I have given to you uh, in a minute so that I can get started. Are you able to see the poll? Okay, cool. So, it's easy for me as you understand any one programming language. Okay. Now you need to click on this blue button and then you need to create new notebook. So click on that new notebook button, new to programming. Okay, cool. No worries. You will be able to follow along. No worries. Yeah, yeah. So, uh, we will look into. Okay, let me just keep this aside. Yeah. So we will start with data types in Python initially. So yeah, data types, as you already know, it is uh, a part and parcel of each and every programming language. So that you can find in all the programming language. Similar to that, Python has its own set of data types. We will look into those. So first one is integers. So integers are nothing but numbers which are positive and negative. So for example, a is equal to 10 and then b is equal to minus 5. And to print these, we will use the function print print. We will print a and then we will print b. It takes some time to load, but yeah. Sure, I will do it at the end of the course. Sorry, at the end of the session. Next, if you want to see what type it is, then you can type print type. Inside the parenthesis, you need to type a and then print type and then b. So if you see, you will be able to see it as integer, int. So that's how you will get to know that it is an integer class. Okay. Next, similar to integer, we have float. And one more thing which is important in Python is we don't have limits on this. You might be knowing that in uh, other programming languages we have certain limits on integers. It can be up to 2 power 32 to 1 minus 2 power minus 32. We will not be having any limits on this. Okay, cool. Next we have, thank you ma'am. Next we have float. So in the float, it is nothing but a floating point number, which is nothing but a decimal number, like 12.35. It can be even negative as well, like minus 45.67. And if you type print C and then print D, you will be able to see the output. Similar to that, you can have type of C and then print type of D. So as you can see, we don't define it explicitly that you have to be float or you have to be integer. It is taken automatically by Python. So that is why Python is known as dynamically typed, not statically typed like other programming languages. Any doubts? Next, we have something known as strings. So strings are nothing but sequence of characters. For this, I have to type decimal numbers. Okay. enclosed in inverted comma or double inverted comma or triple inverted comma. Okay, so we will see examples for all of this. For example, I will type name as Mahesh Kumar, yes, G, and I will type first name as inside double quotes, which is nothing but Mahesh, and then last name, or else let me make one more thing. I will write as skills, and if you are using triple quote, you can write multi-line strings like technical skills is data science, AI, Gen AI. Okay, and then non-technical can write communication planning, and then leadership and mentoring. Okay, and then I can write hobbies as drawing and painting. So you can just print all of this. You can able to see that all of this came along. So one specialty about Python is it supports triple quotes, and you can have multi-line strings, which is not there in other programming languages. Okay. Next, we have, if you have any doubts, kindly let me know. Next, we have something known as Boolean. So this is nothing but true or false. So one thing you need to know is it start with capital T and capital F. Unlike other programming languages, which has lowercase t and lowercase f. So we can write is true is equal to capital T R U E, and then is false is equal to capital F A L C E, and then we can print this. Okay, and you can just add type of these things and you should be good to go. So these are the primitive data types. Let me add that heading as well. Table types. So these are the foundational data types. Rest of the data types are kind of combination of these, which we will see. So are you able to understand? Yes or no in the comments? Hello. Am I audible? Okay, cool. So, yeah. Next, we will start with non-primitive data types. So yes, coming to the non-primitive data types, first we have is list. So list is nothing but ordered collection of elements. So and it can be of any data type or mixture of data type as well. I will provide link to this notebook as well at the end of the session. For example, I can write fruits is equal to and open square bracket, close square bracket. Inside this square bracket, we will mention all our thing. For example, mango, then banana, and then we have can have cherry, and then grapes. Okay, or we can have a list of numbers as well, like 1 comma 2.5 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, or else we can have mixed as well, like Mahesh comma 99 comma true comma data science. Okay, and you can write print fruits and then print numbers and then print mixed. Other programming languages, this thing is not allowed, like having mixed number of things in an array. So but Python allows it, so it is like array. Got it? Okay. Okay, we will move on. So we will see some operations around these. So let me just write a heading known as list, and then we will see some operation. First one is indexing. So if you want to access the elements similar to array, you can access it. Like fruits of 0 is going to be mango. It starts with 0, 1, 2, and then 3. Okay. Next, if you want to access the fourth element, it is like this. Let me write 4. Oh, we don't have fourth index. We have third index of numbers. Okay. Next, one more important unique thing is its negative index as well. So I can write mixed of -1. So if you write negative index, it starts from the end. So negative 1 is this, negative 2 is this, but there is no negative 0. Okay, are you able to understand what am I telling? Yeah. So like this. So zeroth index is mango, and then the third index 0, 1, 2, and then 3. Third index is 5. So it is nothing but numbers of 3. So 5 has been printed, and then mixed of -1. So over here -1 is data science, so it got printed, and then -2 is true, so it got printed. Great. So next thing which we have is known as slicing. I hope spelling is correct. CLIC, sing. Okay. So you can actually cut the array into certain pieces. Like for example, if I want only first three elements in this, then I can write. First of all, let's create a good array. So I will create nums, and then I will just write some elements. Okay, we will perform operation on this. So if you want to get only the first five elements, then you need to give starting point and then ending point plus 1. So in our case, then if we want first five elements, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth index is our endpoint. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we need to give 5. And if we see, we will be able to get the output as first five numbers. And then next one is, if you to want it to start from some index and then go it till the very end. For example, if you want to start at index 3, which is nothing but 4, and then go till the very end, then you can just write print nums 4 colon. You will be able to see that it started from index 4. Oh, sorry, we need to write 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. It starts from 4 and goes till the very end. And then next thing is, if you want it to skip something and then you need to proceed, like for example, I will start with index 0 and I will go till index 8, and I want to skip steps of 2 in steps of 2. Matlab, like I will skip one element and I will go to the next element. For example, I am at 1, then it pick the second element, that is 3, and then it pick second element, that is 5, and then it picks seventh element, then it reached the end and it stopped. So like this, it skips in steps. So for this, the syntax is uh, list name and then start index colon end index colon steps. Any doubts, anyone? If you don't have any doubts, please tell in the comments. Okay, cool. Next, we will see how we can uh, add two lists. For example, I have list 1 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then list 2 as, oh, nice, it gave me suggestion. Very good. List 2 as 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I want to combine these two lists. So I can just type plus and it combines these two lists. One more method is list 1 dot extend list 2, and then we need to print list 1. So it modifies this list 1 to add this particular list. So that's it. And one more thing is lists are mutable, meaning we can change the uh, elements inside present inside the list. For example, I want to remove one and make it as 100, and if we run it, so you can see that I was able to change the starting element in the list. Uh, that's all about list. We will move on next to tuple. So tuples are like lists but with special qualities. So what are these special qualities? If you ask me, then I will say length is fixed. You cannot add or remove elements. Remove. Next thing is you cannot change the elements. So for example, I can write tuple 1 as, and it starts with a common bracket. So 1 comma 2 comma 3, and I can print tuple 1, and I cannot perform these operations like tuple 1 of 0 is equal to 100 or else I cannot write tuple 1 dot extend 1 comma 2 comma 3 again and print. I cannot do this basically. It throws me an error. Rest of indexing and all is same even in case of tuples. You can refer the same. Next we have is dictionary. Okay, which we also call it as dict. So it is nothing but it is similar to hash map in other programming languages. For example, you can say person is equal to and then name is Mahesh, comma age is 27 and then city is Bangalore and then country is India. So it stores key value pairs. So key value pairs is nothing but here the name is key and value is Mahesh. The age is key and value is 27. City is key and value is Bangalore. And then country is key and value is India. If you want, you can print this as well. So person. And if you want keys, you can print person dot keys. You will get keys list, and if you want values list, then you can print person dot values. You will get all the values: Mahesh 27, Bangalore, and then India. And if you want to, let's say if you want to access something, like what is the value of Mahesh name. So you can just type person and then square bracket. Inside square bracket, you specify the key and then you will be able to get its value. Let's say if you want to change the value of the name. So you want to change from Mahesh to Rahul. You can just type person name is equal to Rahul, and if you print person, you should be able to see the change has been reflected. And next type is set. Any doubts? set are similar to mathematical set. It cannot duplicates. Sets are mutable, meaning you can modify the elements like add or delete, etc. Next, sets are extendable. So we will see all of this. So for set, we have uh, similar to what is dictionary, but with some modification. I will show you. So set one is we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can just print the set one. So you are able to see it over here. And if I add one more 4 over here, it will not be reflected. So you can see that 4 appears only once, even though I added 4 over here. And I can have set 1 as 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can perform some operation like union. So basically this combines this set and then this set into a new set, and I can perform the intersection of the set as well. You are able to see that it combined these two sets and it printed out, but with duplicates have been eliminated. And over here the common elements are 4 and 5. So intersection gave me the answer as 4 and 5. And one more thing, sets are ordered. Yeah. So this is all about sets. Uh, with this, we complete the what do you say, data types part. Next, we will move on to operators. So in logical operators, we have plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, slash for division, double slash for integer division. Oh, sorry, arithmetic operators, not logical operators. Yeah. And then ampersand for getting the remainder, and then double asterisk for the power. We will see one by one. So we can write print 2 plus 3 to get those two, and then we can write all of this like print 2 minus 3, 2 into 3, 2 divided by 3. This double division is nothing but we will get the integer part out of it. So for simplicity, I will divide 112 by 3 so that we can get a good glimpse of it. And then 25 divided by 3, and this is nothing but 2 power 3, which is nothing but 8. So yes, you can see that 2 plus 3 is 5, which is correct. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, that is also correct. 2 threes are 6, which is also correct. And then if you divide 2 by 3, we will get answer as 0.66666, which is also correct. And then if you divide 112 by 3, okay, for us to understand this, I will make this also as 112 divided by 3. Over here, you can see that it has given answer as 37.33336. But when you do the double division, it just omits the decimal part and gives you only the integer part. And when you divide 25 by 3, the remainder is 1, and 2 raised to the power is nothing but 3. Got it? Yes or no? Please reply. Okay. Next, we will move on to logical operators, which is nothing but less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and then is equal to, and then not equal to. So for this, you can write, yeah, these things. So it gives you output only as true or false. Output as boolean, which is nothing but either true or false. Yeah. So yes, that's it for today's session. Tomorrow we are going to not tomorrow, in the next session we will learn if else condition, loops, and then something known as dictionary comprehension, and then lambda index. And we need two more session to finish Python. In last session we will see oops and other concepts, exception handling and those things, and we will finish Python. Yeah, if you felt that it was useful, please like the video and drop comments. If you need anything, I can even revise few things in next session. Thank you.